Class 8, Subject GK, Lesson 6, page number 14 and 15. Lesson Indian Ornament. Chapter name is Indian Ornaments. First hard words. Immense means extremely large. Next word, intricate means very complicated. Next word, civilization means the society, culture, and way of life of a particular area. This is a chapter 6, first page of this. This is the second page of this. In this chapter, we will learn about Indian ornaments, which is very popular between women. Now, first type of Indian jewelry is antique jewelry. This kind of jewelry has dull and rough look combined with an old world charm that you can see in this picture. Now, next is a bridal jewelry. Bridal jewelry is traditionally designs are still preferred for bridal jewelry. Next is a tribe jewelry. Tribes in India have unique style of jewelry made of clay, bone, wood, cells and crude metals. And this is very popular and in fashion also. Girls are too much like this type of jewelry when they are wearing western and Indian dress. Both the time they like to wear it. Next is Meenakari jewelry. In this jewelry, precious stones are set and then enameled with gold. It was introduced to Rajasthan by Raja Man Singh of Amber. Craftsmen from Lahore were invited by him to Rajasthan. Their skills and Rajasthani craftsmanship are combined to create this. Next is Pachikam jewelry. This kind of jewelry was most popular in Gujarat and Kutch. It had vanished but has been revived in recent decades. That is also very beautiful. Next is Kundan jewelry. It is most popular since Mughal era and was carried to Rajasthan by Delhi's craftsmen. Filigree jewelry. It is done on silver with precious and technicality. It is very detailed that you can see in picture also. Next is bead jewelry. This is a 5000 years old art dating back to the Indus civilization. This type of jewelry you can see in many occasions like when we are celebrating Holi and Diwali, even though in Raksha Bandhan also, that time girls like to wear this type of jewelry when they are carrying Indian or Western outfits. Next is a Jadau jewelry. This type of jewelry is famous since Mughal times and is made by highly skilled craftsmen mostly in Rajasthan and Gujarat. It is also look as a rich. Next is a Avri jewelry. This jewelry is made from tusk of elephant. In a state like Gujarat and West Bengal, Avri bangles are must part of a bride's jewelry. It must. Now chapter 6 is over.